Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making a spinach omelette. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by beating the egg in a bowl. Now stir in the spinach and parmesan. Add the nutmeg and onion powder, as well as salt and pepper to taste. Put a frying pan on a medium heat and add the oil. Cook the omelette mix for around 3 minutes. The bottom should have started to set. Confidently flip the omelette and leave for another 3 minutes until it's cooked. How fast was that? A delicious omelette from bowl to plate in under 10 minutes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.